Happy Diwali!
Yeah.
Happy Diwali to each and every one of you. This video, we're gonna talk about celebrating Diwali in Dubai. For those of you that may not know, Diwali is basically a Hindu festival celebrating dharma over adharma, the victory of good over evil. It is said to be the day that Lord Ram actually returned back to Ayodhya with his wife Mata Sita and his brother Lakshman after defeating the demon Ravana. So the way we celebrate this festival is actually by bursting firecrackers, lighting diyas, that's where my name comes from. Also doing puja, offering food, fasting, living a vegetarian lifestyle, and dressing up in these gorgeous traditional attire. So we're currently going to one of our family friends' houses, and that's usually how Diwali is celebrated here in Dubai. We go to our friends' houses and we do puja together, we dance together, we celebrate together. So currently we're in Jebel Ali in one of the villa communities, which is very close to a very big Hindu temple in Dubai. The name of the temple is Hindu Temple, and you must have seen it in my Mahashivratri video as well. So this temple has many deities, it's fully carved, it's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, it's very close to this house actually. So I'll have a video of that as well later. But yeah, let's go and celebrate Diwali. That's the temple. Over there, you can see it from the neighborhood. They've put lighting on the villa for Diwali.
Hi, happy Diwali.
Very different.
One. You're so pretty.
Oh, he's saying.
Sugar girl. Yeah, that's it.
So how's life?
I love how you're like looking like.
It takes me time to
I
like
just
it all.
don't
Like,
like
Yeah.
animals in general, it's not even against dogs or anything.
Enjoy.
So proper clean girl.
Oh, thank you. The yellow that's giving
Yeah,
the cream
probably,
girl.
yeah.
That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Stay tuned for part 2 where we have firecrackers and all celebrations.